AI, friend or foe to your future career? Are robots stealing our jobs? Let's cut through the hype and see how AI is really reshaping the job market by 2025. Repetitive tasks are AI's bread and butter. Think data entry, basic customer service, and even some lower-level coding. Automation is streamlining these roles. AI-powered tools are becoming increasingly efficient. This means companies need fewer people to handle these routine tasks. Hold on. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating them too. We are talking AI prompt engineers, machine learning specialists, and AI ethics consultants. These are roles that didn't even exist a few years ago. They require a unique blend of technical skills and human understanding. The key takeaway? The future isn't about AI versus humans. It's about humans with AI. Learning to collaborate with these tools is crucial. Ready to ride the AI wave instead of being crushed by it? Subscribe now for more insights on future-proofing your career and mastering the skills you'll need to thrive in the age of AI.